So today we're taking a look at the BioBidet USPA 6800 bidet. It's got the oscillating spray mode, going back and forth pretty quickly, which I like. It's got a bubble stream function, and you can set it to oscillate. So this bidet also has massage and enema modes. It's also got a low to medium pressure setting on the massage mode. And the enema mode is of course high pressure. So let's see how this bidet does at the performance test. And this is Nutella, nothing else, so don't be too grossed out. So we can see it's still cleansing, it's still working. The oscillating mode is doing its job. And we can compare the before picture with the 1 minute after picture and see how it does. Looks pretty good to me.